Makeup brushes. Gotta wash them sometimes. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be washing my makeup brushes and I'm going to be letting you come along with me. I'm going to show you my setup, my procedure, and you know something? You need to have your makeup fully on if you're planning on wearing it that day before you do this, because otherwise you're going to have wet brushes and you'll have to fumble around without them. So let me grab my brushes. Here they are, and we're gonna go clean them. Let's go. Okay, so now we are in my kitchen, and you could also do this in a bathroom, a kitchen, wherever there's running water, and I'm just choosing the kitchen because it's bright and sunny over here, and I can share it with you. All right, so now I'm gonna show you my setup. I like to use a dish pan, and I have a white one, and you don't need to use one, but I don't like my brushes touching the sink directly, even when it's really clean, and that's just my own procedure. If you don't need one, that's fine. I'm gonna put it inside my sink right now. Check this so you can see, it's right there. This is a white towel. It's one that's kind of semi-retired, but you can use any color. I like to put it on the countertop. Oh, I don't need it that big. I'll make it smaller. Hold on. I'll make it like that. It's on the countertop next to the sink where I'm going to be doing the brushes. And I'm going to show you, here's my dirty brushes. We're going to put some dish soap. I like some that doesn't have any coloring, etc. in. Doesn't matter, just a little bit in there. Not much. All right, now I'm going to move my camera so you can see what I'm going to do. So here you see the sudsy water. I'm going to be putting the brushes in the water. I like to squish them around. You can already see there's a little bit of the, let's see, which brush is this? My highlighting brush. A bit of that going there. Squishy, squishy. Set it aside. I'm going to come back and rinse these later. And here's my new blush brush, which I've used for about a week. I'm going to next do my, let's see, my contouring brush. Is that my contouring brush? Oh, my foundation brush, excuse me. Ooh, look at all that old foundation coming off. I might redo this one. Let's see, this is a small angle brush. And definitely I'm gonna have to rinse these like crazy. There is my, this one has an angled brush and also a small, it calls it a shading brush. And let's see, here's another eyeshadow brush, or shading brush as I call it. Oh, look at that beautiful color. And here's my beautiful new kabuki brush. Look at all the brown that came. That's because it's used to blend the contour, dark contour powder. Very dark. All right, so I'm gonna dump this in the sink. Here we go, dump down the drain. I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm gonna dump it again. Okay, this is just plain water. I'm putting all of the brushes under the running water and pressing against the bottom of the dish pan so that anything that's still there is staying there. I'm holding the camera. Normally I do this with two hands, but my last brush. That's it. So look how clean that water is. Yay! Now I am going to put my camera here and show you how I squeeze it out and put it on the towel. All right, I'm gonna take my fattest one first. Kind of squeeze it with, I have clean hands. Squeeze it there. Press it, floof it, set it. Next fattest one, this one, squeezing it. press it with the towel, gently, floof it, set it. Next one, just going down the road. I like to do it by size, but it doesn't have to be that way. Floof. There we go. Squeeze, press, floof. There we go. Squeeze, floof. This one needs a little squeeze, but not much. It's the angle brush, doesn't need it much. Oh, but this side is the shaded brush. I'm gonna press it. And one last one that I have today, and that is my favorite angle brush. And I'll put it right there. So they are drying. They are drying and they're gonna be ready for when I want to use them tomorrow. And I hope this was helpful for you, and that you have a really good day. Bye-bye.